Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. How often are you trying to watch something while someone else in your room is trying to watch something else? Or maybe you just need to listen to your TV in quiet. You'll be able to do so with this really easy setup from TV Ears. This comes with a completely easy to set up plug and play device that allows you to connect it to your TV and then the headphones connect to the device. Everything matches up with the screen so you don't feel as if you're watching something that has a lag. And my husband said that he absolutely loves the sound quality on these. He's really impressed. I love that while he's watching TV with them, I cannot hear the TV at all. So I know that the protective ear covering is working really well. It has fully adjustable settings on the sides of the headset. So this would be really great if you need it for someone that's older. The buttons are really friendly to use and they're really responsive while you're using them as well. The device also is cool because the headphones will work 100 feet away. So if you're doing this in your living room and your TV is at the other end, you'll have no problem being able to connect and to hear everything without any scratchy sound. I love having these because I often watch something completely different. Let's face it, we all do at night. And so my husband, he loves having these because he can watch his TV in his privacy while I'm watching my thing on the other side of the bed. And we're really impressed by the quality, the super easy setup, as well as how comfortable and how well that the earphones themselves work. You're definitely going to be able to enjoy your TV viewing with this headset, but that's just my point of view.